catching the sunset in the Amalfi motherfucking coast. Look at that. We are in Praiano, Italy, on the Amalfi coast, and the bell rings as the sun drops. We're in our last day in Praiano. Look at my girlfriend here. She's recording her little TikTok videos. Oh, you look so nice. Like a little angel. She brings the wine. Amazing. I had to like turn on the camera and just rant here for a sec. I was like, what is this? This is so crazy. We've been on this trip for 27 days now. We've gone to Spain, Greece, and now Italy. And then we go back to Spain, then back to Miami, back to the stomping grounds. We've had a lot of time to think, a lot of time to eat, a lot of time to party and do so many fun things. We were in a kitchen of an Italian family yesterday in their home, and they together we made handmade pasta with swordfish and eggplant, and we made handmade gnocchi with fresh tomato sauce from the garden, literally in their house. Like I felt like it was like my grandpa, cooking for me and helping me cook. What an amazing experience. So I guess this rant is just to share with you some of our experiences, and I want to share with you some of the things that I've learned along the way, some of the little lessons I've learned in these 30 days of just traveling and kind of being free a little bit. The first one is to go with your gut. Go with your gut. So I don't know, every time that I was like kind of having second doubts and things like that on the smallest things or on big things that have happened in my business or in my career, I noticed that the best decisions that yielded the best results, most money, highest happiness levels, fulfillment, etc., was when I went with my instinct, went with my gut. And I don't know, something about this trip kind of just kept bringing that part up. And I can't really explain it, but that's one of the lessons that come to mind. Number 2, happiness is cheap. And it's at a discount, okay? People in Italy, some of the people we've met here, when we first got here, we went to a little restaurant, they're like right down there. And there's a father-son that own it. It's a small little restaurant. And we got there, it was like 10 p.m. We were so tired. I was like drained from traveling all day, driving, etc. And we went, and this little old man is singing his life away in the restaurant with other people. He's like just so freaking happy there with other people there. His son's there. And like, I don't know, you could just feel it. And he didn't need millions of dollars to feel that way. He didn't need, extravagant cars or Lambos and things like this. He just needed to be alive. Like, he didn't need anything to be happy. And that kind of opened my mind, like, man, some of these people that live here don't live as fast as we do in Miami, in the sense of like, we have such a fast life in South Florida. Maybe you have a fast life where you live. Maybe you have a slow life. Maybe you're happy where you're at. But if you're having kind of some doubts about your fulfillment and your happiness, just know it's very inexpensive to be it. So that was a pretty interesting lesson. Number 3, be uncomfortable. It's okay to be uncomfortable. Meet people, try new things. Go on an excursion with random people. Go take a trip that feels a little bit uncomfortable. Drive on the freaking side of Positano, on the side of the roads where the cliff is right under. Like, I got a stick shift car just to be a little bit more uncomfortable. Go out of your way to meet certain people. Drive a motorcycle, like whatever, okay, maybe not the motorcycle one, because I don't want to be the reason, but what I'm saying is be uncomfortable, like actually, and it could be the smallest thing, just be aware of it. And this trip, I've done a lot of uncomfortable things, and on the other side of that has been a smile, happiness, joy, and a really good memory. So guys, those are some key things that I've learned so far. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for my channel. Please, if you like this, leave a comment, like it, subscribe. And if you want me to make a video about something, or maybe something else about the trip, or anything more in detail, I'm more than happy to. You can leave it on the comment section, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.